Hello guys, welcome to this YouTube channel. Before I go into today's video, let me say a very big thank you to those that are subscribed to my channel, and I also thank my returning viewers. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for supporting my YouTube channel. If you are new here, if you are watching this video for the first time, kindly click the subscribe button down there and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be informed whenever I make amazing videos like this. Today I will be making another herbal recipe which is very good for any man that is a 2 minute man on bed. Your woman has been complaining about your sex life. Now this video is for you. If you watch from the beginning to the end, you will know how to prepare this amazing herbs that is for low libido, small joystick, and somebody that cannot perform for a longer time on bed, as this herb is going to make sure that you go from a 2 minute man to a 40 minutes or above man. Now follow me into the video and let's go and learn how to produce this herb. Let's go. In this video, I will show you how you can move from being a 2 minute man to being a 40 minute and above man. If you have low libido, you don't normally feel like having sex in the other room, you cannot satisfy your woman very well, or your joystick is very small, follow me, watch this video from the beginning to the end as you will see the secret that so many people have been using, that their woman can now enjoy the man very well. Now in making this video, you need tiger nut. Get enough of tiger nuts from the market. It is being sold in the market. You get it, enough of it, because tiger nut is very good for the joystick of a man. Apart from the tiger nut, you need dates. You need dates also for making these wonderful herbs. You need dates. This is dates. You need dates. You need onion. Onion is very good for the joystick of a man. You need garlic. Garlic is good. It ensures that proper blood flows to the joystick of a man, because without adequate blood to the joystick of a man, the man will not be able to perform very well. You also need coconut. Get one coconut. We are going to use this coconut also. Now follow me as we go. You will also need a spoon of honey, pure honey. Make your honey a pure honey. If you don't have access to pure honey, if you are in Nigeria, you don't have access to pure honey, we can send pure honey to you. You need pure honey, a spoon of it. Now follow me as we go to make these wonderful herbs. This your tiger nut, pour it inside water. You have to wash it very well. You have to wash it very well. You have to wash it very well, so that because we are going to practice proper hygiene, everything we are making here, we are going to wash it very well. Pour everything inside and just follow the process. It is very simple and straightforward. You can make it and share it with your woman. It's allowed. It will give you more appetite for sex in the other room. Make sure you clean it very well and put it inside a bowl like this. When you are through with this one now, you get the onion, 2 big onions. Make sure you peel the back. Excuse me. You will remove the back of the onion and you wash it and cut it into pieces. Cut it into pieces because of your blender, that your blender will be able to blend it very well so that you can have better results. I told you earlier that onion is very good for every man to be able to perform very well in the other room, in the bedroom. So you do same thing for the second onion. You peel the back. Cut it into pieces so that your blender will not find it difficult to blend. After that one, you need 2 to 3 dates, 2 to 3 fingers of a date. Make sure that you wash it. You also cut it into pieces. Now you cut the dates into pieces like this. If you find it hard to cut, you can soak it in water before you continue. Soak it very well so that it can be very easy for you to cut. So you can see it now. After cutting it into pieces, you add it to what you want to grind. You make sure that you remove the seed. There's a seed inside. Make sure that you remove it from it so that it will not spoil your blender. So after that one, let's go to our garlic. You remove the back of the garlic before you wash it and add to what you want to blend. You are going to remove the back. You use 2 bulbs of garlic. 2 bulbs of garlic. We've already had 2 bulbs of onion. So you make sure you use 2 bulbs of garlic too. The work of the garlic is to ensure proper flow of blood to your organs, which your joystick is part of the organ. In this case, is the joystick that we want to work on. So the garlic is going to do the wonders in that regard. So you make sure you remove the back of the garlic so that it's going to be easy for you to wash it. Yes, I'm done with it now. So you make sure you wash it like this, you rinse it and put it inside, cut it into pieces. Because of your blender, you can cut it into pieces by cutting it into two like this, so that your blender you find it very easy to blend. Now after that, it remains our coconut. This coconut, we are going to break it and remove the back. You can drink the water. It's good for your body too. You can extract the water inside the cup and drink it like me. It's good for your body. You can take a table knife to remove the back like this. So after that, you will wash it and cut it into pieces. Cut it into pieces. Cut it into pieces like this. Now we are done with the cutting of the coconut into pieces. Now we are going to use our blender now to blend everything together, and you will see the result very soon. Let's go to our blender. You pour everything inside the blender. This is our blender. You pour everything inside the blender. Let's start with the coconut. Put everything inside the blender. You can decide to blend it twice, because as you can see, this blender is full. I will add water now and blend this one. Then I will do the other one the second time. Add enough water so that it will not be difficult for your blender to blend. Now let's blend it. Okay. We are on the blender now. Let's blend it. We are finished with the blending. Can you see now? This is how it is. You will sieve it. You can reblend it again to make it finer and to extract more milk from the mixture. Can you see it now? I'm still going to blend it one more time so that I'll be able to extract more juice from it. After you must have finished extracting the juice like this, you can pour inside your jug so that you can serve yourself. You can pour it inside the jug. You can see it's yummy. You can see it's yummy. This is very good for any man that is a 2 seconds man. you should be able to last 40 minutes and above. With this herbal drink, you prepare it with what you have at home. Everything is what we normally eat at home. So the next thing now is to pour a glass cup like this. 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 This glass cup, you will need a spoonful of honey. Make sure that the honey you are going to use is a pure honey. If you don't have access to pure honey, is what we can get for you. If you are in Nigeria, you can contact me. I will get pure honey for you. We have it in abundance here. A spoon is enough for a glass cup. Just put it inside and stir it together like this. Make sure you stir it very well so that the honey can dissolve inside. Make sure you stir it very well so that the honey can fully dissolve inside it. Sorry. Now you can see I'm stirring it so that the honey can fully dissolve inside it. A glass cup, you take a glass cup late at night and early in the morning. Before you eat in the morning, take it. And if you know you cannot take it twice in a day, make sure you take it before going to bed. But if you can take it twice in a day, it will work very, very fast. Now we've done finishing it. Now taking this herb, we guarantee that if you are any man with low libido, with small joystick, or you don't last long on bed and your wife has been complaining, this herb is strictly for you. You take a glass cup before going to bed and very early in the morning before you eat anything. Thank you for watching. If you are here to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button down there, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be informed whenever I make beautiful big videos like this. And my returning viewers, I thank you for returning. I thank you for my subscribers for supporting this channel. Thank you very much and God bless. Bye.